today's video, guys. So actually quite busy, but since Monday nag-travel kami because nagkakonduct ng forum in every province in Zamboanga City, Zamboanga Peninsula. So we've been from Dipolo, Pagaden, and now last stop is April. Then tomorrow pa kami uuwi. So makikita nyo itong vlog ko siguro mga Friday night. So ngayon ipapakita ko yung facility kung saan kami, guys, kasi it's daytime. Pero actually nakita nyo na to last time kasi may vlog ako tungkol nila dito. Yan, ito yung pool. So dyan kami. Then this is the pool. Yun, tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda ng view. Yan, daytime. So this is daytime, the view of Bud's Hotel daytime. Customize talaga siya dito, guys. Ang sarap mag-unwind. And yung parang to unwind your tired brain cells. To unwind your tired brain cells, diba? Parang travel. After a very long travel, tapos yung accommodation is maganda. Yun yung dito, guys. If you see, siguro maganda to pag night time. I think may vlog ako. Nakita nyo, maganda to pag night time. Diba? Lego serving tomahan. Ustedes?
Yung toma, biyahe na yan.
Ay, oo pala.
Tambay na yun.
Aki. Yun. Mr. Room. Yan yung room, guys. Meron silang gym. Meron silang parang video kaya on the top. And that's the room. Actually, this is just a new one. New lang siya, guys. So, maganda pa. I hope ma-maintain nila. Maganda dito, guys. Yung parang after a very tiring travel, tiring week at work, you have to spend your time here. Ito siya. Ito siya. So nice. Sana kayo. Bakit wala kayo pera? Oh my G.
Para masarap ang kain.
Ay! So nag-check kayo ng menu? Yun. So later kasi we'll have our dinner kasi tomorrow we will be getting back sa Zamboanga City. Currently meron pang activity Easter pero I think madali na lang yun. So yun.
Okay lang na.
Oo.
Okay, kung sabay mga ano,
Problema
natin
mo. Mo ko yung
Okay.
kag-ambak.
Ha?
Mo ambak.
Next. The next one is swimming. Lahat ko swimming mo.
Iron?
Sa Asian naman din na.
Oo. Yun, guys. Yun. Dito na. I think maganda yung dito maganda. Makikita yung view ng pool. Ay. Ay. Ang ganda ng lighting, but parang uulan siya. How was your week, guys? Ako okay naman, kahit may mga pending na work, but nag-unwind naman yung brain cells ko. Kaya ganyan lang yung pinapakita ko kasi I really appreciate the place. Maganda, malinis, and pwede talaga pang unwind. Kasi wala kasi ditong ibang mapuntahan. May mall naman, guys, sa may mga resort. Pero if you just want to stay here sa room, magkain, meron silang mga iba't ibang restaurant. Meron sila atang Filipino cuisine and Vietnamese. Then they have also the pool during night time, so you can make babad, diba? Yun lang. And I will be here now. I'll be here. Sige na ako lang. Thank you. Hindi ko alam na nagbablog mo ako. May tao. Actually, I'm shy. Shy ako mag-vlog-vlog. Pero I need to para at least may update ako sa inyo kung anong nangyayari sa life. Nasabi ko naman na this is our last stop for the forum. Yun. Ang check kung ano to dito. Actually, isang hall, then isa din yung hall. Diyan, may activity dito. May activity. May mga tao na makakalaw dito. Yes, I'm enjoying my work. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. God is really good. Although, yeah, pagod sa work, but you have always to set your mind to be happy and grateful kasi may trabaho. And always give your best, no? Yun lang, guys. I'll show you ulit the view. Yun. Hindi maganda. Yeah, so ganda guys. I hope they can maintain the ambience, the cleanliness, and yung status ng hotel na ngayon. Kasi maganda talaga siya, guys. See that one? Yun. Pakita ko kasi kung anong in front ko. Yan yung in front ko. Toot, toot. Wala akong masabi for now. This will be another vlog, another episode of my vlog na i-upload. Maraming salamat pala sa panonood, and please don't forget to like, comment, or share this. Ang hotel pala na to is located at Idil Zamboanga City. You can check my previous vlogs about the hotel, pati yung mga buffet. Meron akong vlog dito. Twice na kasi ako andito sa hotel na ito. Kaya, okay. So for the last time, this is the view of the hotel. Ta-da! Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. God bless. Bye-bye!